Hi, welcome to Haute Moms Dinner Club. It's that time of the week again. Another work week coming up, and we've got your meals ready to go for you. Moving on to meal 4. This one's super easy. Bratwurst on buns with just a can of baked beans and the coleslaw that we already have made. So basically, you just want to get a pot of boiling water ready to go. We're going to get your bratwurst cooking. I got a 5-pack here. I'm going to go ahead and cook all 5 of them off. I like to cook mine in boiling water, and then when I know that the bratwurst are good and cooked, you can dump out any remaining water that's in there and just kind of brown them in the same pan that you cooked them in if you'd like to get them a little browned on the outside. If not, you can just straight boil them. But that's how I like to do mine. Boil them until they're done, and then remove the water and just kind of give them a little bit of a caramelization on the bottom of the pan. When I get those cooking, I'm going to get our buns buttered and in the oven. Warm up the can of baked beans, and we've already got the coleslaw ready to go. So this one is super quick and easy. If you want to, you can get whatever condiments and stuff that you'd like to get for these brats. If you feel ambitious, you can caramelize some onions, dice up some tomatoes. Otherwise, you just have, ketchup, mustard, pickle relish, whatever you like to serve on these guys, okay? And there is meal 4. This is so super quick and easy. So the bratwurst, that's the major thing you have to get going on. Get those bratwurst on to cook. Like I said, I cook mine in boiling water, and then I let that water kind of reduce out, or I just pour it out and then just kind of caramelize them in the same pan that you boiled them in. Anyway, they get that nice coloring on there. So we got bratwurst and buns. The coleslaw, we already had the coleslaw made from meal 2 from the shrimp dinner. And then you just got a can of baked beans there. Throw out the ketchup, throw out the Dijon mustard, French's mustard, whatever condiments you need for this. Bratwurst on buns with coleslaw and baked beans, meal 4. So there is bin 20. So we started off today's meals with our chicken with 40 cloves of garlic. We baked that with the russet potatoes and obviously 40 cloves of garlic. A little bit of chicken broth. We got that big Dutch oven in the back that's full of that. We're serving that with blanched broccoli and the country bread with that, the panna di casa. That's the same bread we're going to make our grilled cheese sandwiches with later on. Next, we move into meal 2, our breaded fried shrimp dinner with baked potato, coleslaw, cocktail sauce. Looks just like something out of a restaurant there. Meal 3, we made a big pot of homemade chicken noodle soup with some of the chicken from the chicken with 40 cloves of garlic. It's a very simple, basic recipe, but it is delicious and your family will love it. Super comforting with the home-style grilled cheese, an alternative to just a canned chicken noodle soup and just grilled cheese on white bread. So that's very nourishing and comforting right there. And then meal 4, we wrapped it up with another super easy one. That's our bratwurst. Bratwurst on buns with baked beans, just a canned baked beans, and the coleslaw. The coleslaw, we already had it made from meal 2. So that's another one you get to sit back and relax on. Bin 20 right here. That's some great stuff. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out HauteMomsDinnerClub.com. I think you'll be surprised at how organized it is and all the great ideas you can find on there. Just pick a bin and roll with it. I think you'll be surprised with the website and how easy it is to use and all the great ideas, the recipes, the grocery list. You can download the grocery list. So a lot of exciting things on that. It also makes a great gift. HauteMomsDinnerClub.com. Lots of great, exciting things going on there. So this has been 20. Thank you so much for joining me today. Haute Moms Dinner Club.
And what to eat?